Hello everyone, welcome to the Crafty Hobbit channel. This is a new item that's in the shop today, which is a black and white hand-painted checkered tabletop clock or mantle clock. It's going to look great on your dresser, on your bedside table, or even maybe on your fireplace mantle. It measures approximately 8 inches tall by 8 inches wide and approximately 2 inches deep. It does run on one AA battery, and it has the Roman numeral on the face of the clock to give it that elegant vintage look. So be sure to stop by the Crafty Hobbit. The link is in the description. If you like the clock and you want to get it now, you can purchase instantly scanning the QR code right here in the video and completing checkout, and I will send it on its way to your doorstep. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.